Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select camera from your left side, swipe up, then you can see option of camera, select, then you can see option of formats, second one, open it. Now it is on high efficiency and tap to most compatible. So in this way you can use your video files to any devices. Okay, if you are shooting on high efficiency, most of the video editors does not support that high efficiency files. So if you are recording on most compatible, it is very useful and you can play the video overall on the different OS systems like Mac OS and Windows, also in Android. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.